All right, so to do a linear correlation here between these low and high temperatures for the day, you're going to want to go to Desmos.com, Desmos calculator. You're going to choose this graphing calculator. Under the math tools, you can also, there's all the different Desmos calculators you can do. So grab that graphing calculator. To start with, you're going to want to put the data into the calculator. So with this plus sign, you can add an item and you want a table. So your X values, let's make those your low temperatures are 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 35, 37, 38, 41, 45. And then your Y temperatures that match up, the high temperature are 49, 50, 57, 54, 60, 58, 64, 66, 63, and 72. All right, so we don't see the data because it's just going 0 through 10. You can click and drag this. You can zoom out over here with this minus. All right, there's your data. I can zoom back in a little bit using my mouse pad or the plus. Okay, so then in the second one, to get your linear function, you're going to do, this is based on y1, so you need to type y1, and when you hit the number 1, it will do the little subscript for you. You don't have to worry about that. Don't use equals, use the little squiggly. It's shift, and right beside the 1 on your keyboard is that little squiggly mark. So then, and then your linear function is, you can do mx plus b, or I'm gonna do, sorry about that, I'm gonna do a x at 1 plus b. You can do m if you want, you can do, but that x also has to have the 1. Both of those have to match those variables for your table. And then there's your linear function. There's your model, linear model. Your slope is 1.16 about, your intercept is 19.9, and there's the line. And then there's any R values if you talk about that at all, but that's the linear correlation if that's what you need. Hopefully that's right. All right. Good luck.